Today, we will talk about gears that can help you to get more money out of your client's shoes just to make you look professional. I want to know in the comment section below which you think is the coolest. Videographer number 1?
Okay, I'm ready here. I'm here now. You want some videos or photos maybe? Click, 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 click.
Or videographer number 2?
Hi there. I heard you wanted some videos to be shot. I'm the guy.
Now let's go through to the components to build your professional setup. It's all about choices. Now I will give you my recommendations. Obviously, you need the camera. The cage acts as the body, offering versatile mounting points. Brand like SmallRig is a great choice. To strengthen the foundation, you need a base plate and a 15mm rod. For the essential accessories like follow focus and a matte box. Enhance its stability with a side handle, offering like a cold shoe mount for accessory like a shotgun mic. Top handle, versatile grip, additional mounting points for monitors or for a shotgun mic. Elevate your viewing experience with a high-quality monitor. I recommend Atomos Ninja 5 for its dual functionality and external recorder. Considering adding a matte box for ND filters, integration, and light control. Optimize the power of the B-mount battery using the B-mount adapter to centralize the power. If your camera lacks for autofocus, add a manual focus wheel system for a precise control. If you want to set up your camera like this, visit us on Digitech and we will help you to choose the right gear for you.
Click, 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 click.